Hello my friends, I'm just doing my morning Facebook scroll, and one of the great things about Facebook is the groups you can join. And of course for gardening, the groups are actually really good, but you see a lot of trends on them too, and you can see what people are concerned with or having trouble with. It's very interesting. But here I came across this post, which is actually not that strange or weird. You have a lady here who's moved into a house and doesn't like her soil conditions, so she's gone out and purchased 40 bags of compost. Now she's all impressed that applying some mulch or compost or whatever it is she purchased here last year had resulted in some worms this year. I just can't help but look at this vehicle packed to the brim of purchased product. I mean, my only thought is look at all the seeds you could buy. But this is right here exactly why when I started gardening and I looked at my soil conditions, I had to find another option than what what most people are doing, right? I can't afford to fill up an SUV of bags of compost or mulch or any purchased product, you know. Like, there's over $1,000. There's 2,000 easy. I don't know 40 bags of mulch cost. I don't imagine it's cheap. But right there, one application of biochar to your garden soil. One application, lifetime of value, turns your soil, any soil. I'm sure this lady's terrible dirt that she describes, it would work just fine. Like, I just can't help but think, like, wow, what a waste, you know. That's right there, that one car full is probably more than my budget for 10 years of gardening. But this is your conventional wisdom of gardening, right? You got to add amendments each spring, and this is what people are doing and spending billions of dollars doing it. So I don't know, unless you want to fill your SUV each spring with, you know, making someone rich at the garden center, I suggest maybe looking into some biochar. But yeah, just a few thoughts on soil and soil amendments and biochar. But yeah, you know, and this isn't unusual. To me it seems crazy, but this is not unusual at all, and people are more than willing to spend their money on it. So, you know, I'm here to save you some money. So you want to save some money, you want to learn how to turn any soil type into the best soil you could possibly have without filling your SUV full of purchased product, give me a like, give me a subscribe, join me on the channel as a friend. But hope you're having a great day wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.